What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we have a big upgrade for the Cobra. We are getting rid of the stock ECU, MS3 Pro. It's great for people at home that want to learn a little bit about tuning, get really dig into their tuning of their car, and you know, it's just new technology. It's a good setup. So we're gonna install it on this car and let it rip.
By the way, if you guys want to see a more instructional video on how to install the MS3, you can see that right here.
It's a nice 3-valve you got there, Andrew.
Yeah, just a 3-valve.
Guys are running half-mile cars. You know, these guys.
Recording?
Yeah, but it's crazy how good it runs for. It's just, it's too easy. I just installed it. I installed it. And I did a couple button presses in it, and it runs. First impressions right now is that I can't really tell a difference, if anything, and I'm not lying when I say this. It seems smoother, like just the delivery of the throttle and everything just feels a little bit more smoother. Oh, my speed is fucked. going 120 mile an hour, guys. See that? We'll also show over here. Car is driving absolutely phenomenal with the Mega Sport so far. I'm actually pleasantly surprised. I mean, it's running real good. Alright guys, thanks for watching the video. Hope it was helpful. I really like the MS3. It was kind of crazy how I just plugged it in, a couple button presses in it, just started right up like it was like a factory deal. I want to thank Andrew, Mustang Lifestyle Freedom Parts Outlet, for letting me use his facilities to install it. I put the car together in the dirt and plywood, so it's nice to be able to do this in a clean environment. So, alright, thanks for watching.